Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to fix compatibility issues in Firefox. So first thing that you will do guys is make sure you are running the latest version. To do that, you can select the three lines on the top right corner and you should be able to see here help at the very bottom. And then here you should be able to see about Firefox. So from here, it will automatically check if your Firefox is up to date, and when there is any update, you should be able to see it over here and download the latest version. Now, if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do for the second solution is you could just simply go ahead and go to the address bar and disabling this option over here, the shield with the check mark. So when you click on that, you will have enhanced tracking protection is on. So you could just simply turn it off. And sometimes this is the reason why you are having a compatibility issue. So another option is you could go for Troubleshoot Mode. Select the three lines on the top right corner. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for help over here. And you should be able to see here Troubleshoot Mode. And from here, it will ask you to restart. So by just simply restarting, it will temporarily disable some extensions and themes because sometimes there are the reason why you are having a compatible issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.